Welcome back to U.S. Mint News and Reviews for September 11th, 2023. I'm Son of a Silver Stacker. Now let's get to it. Don't forget, sub my other page here. That's Real Estate Near Walt Disney World right there. And I'll be putting up some videos for that really soon, very shortly. Now, over here to moneymetals.com. You're looking over here. Look, I want you to pay attention to that. 1935.80 is the gold spot price, right? So one of the things I've noticed is I'm like, well, why is it that all these other ones are not near all-time highs? Gold's about $140 or so from its all-time high. It says so right here at the Google machine. Gold all-time high. That's probably not how you spell all-time, but that's all right. Spot gold prices hit a record intraday high of $2,072.50 on August 7th, 2020. That was 3 years ago. And what are the prices? Well, for the other coins, and I mean, look, it's $140 away. Silver, we know that's probably about half of what the all-time high is. So that's really interesting. Now, you're looking at an in-stock American Silver Eagle whose premium is $8.39, and they will buy them from you over there at Money Metals for $24.77. Now, over here to the bullion sales page at the United States Mint. And there's no real new tale to tell, although we are starting that second week in September, and hopefully we'll see a double, all right, maybe 1.4, 1.5 million American Silver Eagles sold for the month of September. And that would equal May's total, right, and June's total. So that'd be all right. So what is the Mint doing? Are they trying to ask for forgiveness, or is it just standard procedure? They're just doing their thing best they can, right? I think that's what's going on. I don't know if there's anything else going on, but this is kind of big news right here. Bam! And I want to thank Azure Blue for this. This is a story about PAMP. This is MKS PAMP. You ever heard of PAMP? I'm sure you have. Now, it says APMEX and PAMP. Oh, what? And this is from September 2023. And it's out of London, the 6th of September 2023. MKS PAMP Group, a global industrial and financial services group specializing in precious metals, has made a strategic investment in APMEX. I think they're out of Oklahoma, if I'm not mistaken, a leading online precious metals retailer. This investment aims to strengthen the group's capabilities and leverage their collective expertise and resources to best serve their customers with cutting-edge products and services. What does that even mean? It's kind of ambiguous, isn't it? We're going to serve them really well. Yeah, that's right. Both MKS PAMP Group and APMEX have long been rooted in common principles of integrity, innovation, and customer focus. Today, with this strategic investment, MKS PAMP Group demonstrates its commitment to continuously enhance its offerings across the value chain of the precious metals industry. APMEX has exponentially grown to become one of the largest online precious metal retailers in the world with a focus on North American product. And I do believe that APMEX sells a good bit of PAMP bars. I think they're probably the second after their own products, I would imagine. And I'll show you that in a second over here. The strategic investment in APMEX. Now, how much did they drop in there is what I'd like to know. How much money did they invest of the strategic investment in APMEX? And it follows our vision in growing our global footprint, integrating our group throughout the precious metal value chain, embracing the digital shift. Okay, there you go. And how our customers access and use precious metals today, said Marwan Shakarchi. I can't even, I just won't. I'm sorry. Executive member of the board, MKS PAMP Group. There you go. Established in 2000, APMEX offers a selection of over 33,000 products. Look at that. They have the comma up top there. And services millions of customers. The online retailer prides itself not only in serving their customers, but also their local community through various charitable and volunteering initiatives. Now, here we go. The investment by MKS PAMP Group marks a pivotal milestone in APMEX's journey, standing as a genuine testament to our company's success. The strategic union heralds a lasting synergy destined to elevate our services and product offerings globally for our valued customers. So they're really getting a foothold in the American market over here. And really, where else does APMEX sell? Just to the American clientele, or is it all over? Now, that was added by Scott Thomas, founder of APMEX. This union leverages the alignment of values both companies share, deepening their partnership and amplifying their collective capabilities. Together, they set a gold standard in delivering exceptional value to the global precious metals market. See, I like it when writers do that gold standard, right? They keep it in context of the industry they're talking about. So if you were in the flower business, you talk about growing your business, right? Growing or watering it. I think that's genius. APMEX will proudly continue to operate under its distinguished name, maintaining its independence and business operation under the leadership of Kenneth Lewis as CEO of his executive management team. And there it ends. And it talks a little bit about PAMP Group, and it talks a little bit about APMEX. And let's go ahead and just talk about this one real quick. MKS PAMP Group, an industrial service and trading group specializing in precious metals, founded more than 60 years ago. This family-owned company has grown into an innovative international company serving precious metal producers, banks, traders, and manufacturers worldwide, as well as end consumers. That's you and I would imagine. The group is a leader in the precious metal sector, employing over 1,000 professionals. I added that too right there. The group is present in all key precious metal markets, operating 2 refineries and mints and 13 offices around the world. They got a global footprint for sure. MKS PAMP Group prides itself on the commitment to social responsibility, its leadership role in developing ethical and transparent value chains, and the constant innovation of its products and services. Absolutely. Because if you go over to the website, they have carbon neutral gold bars, I think. Now, is there any of this news on the Google machine? I looked up APMEX, and it says APMEX partners with Smalling on custom coins. That's Oklahoma City based. That's Oklahoma. And they partner with the Choctaw artist there. Corvette partners with APMEX. APMEX, one of the bullion card, is the first credit card to offer precious metal rewards. That's amazing. Corvettes, yeah, it doesn't really say anything about PAMP. And if you want to know more about PAMP, well, I'll leave a link in the description over. I guess I already did. Who knew? Now, over here to APMEX. So I'm under bars, if you can see that. Whoops, come on now, play along. There we go, bars. I'm searching under bars, and I have it under all of them. No metal type really specifically put here. No weight. But if we go down to the brand, now this is listed, all right, from high to low. So the most to the least. So APMEX is the number one, looks like inventory holder right there. And then PAMP Swiss, bam, they have 70 of those products, and there they are. And I think that's how I recognize them right there with that blue card and then the PAMP word right there. And this has really good, I think, reputation in the gold and silver world, right? Look at that 20-gram platinum bar. So they're definitely the high dig, right? Look at that. 12 5-gram gold bars, Swiss lunar calendar series. Isn't that something? So there's some really cool stuff here that they have, and a lot of it is very expensive, right? Well, it's gold. That's probably why. And like I said, we are near all-time highs on gold. Isn't that something? I mean, think about that. And the other precious metals, silver, platinum, palladium, they're not necessarily near all-time highs, but gold is. Is that because all of the central banks around the world are snatching it up as best they can, as fast as they can? I would imagine that's their focus right now, and obviously the focus is gold, and I think that writing has definitely been on the wall for quite some time. And now, over here to the plus ones. Bam! It's Psalm 31:12. Because of all my tormentors, like a Dementor from Harry Potter, right? Because of all my tormentors, I have become a disgrace, especially to my neighbors, and a fright to those who know me. Those who see me outside move away from me. And I believe what that means is that so many enemies have risen up against me that people have come to question my character. I'm relentlessly pursued, but I am rescued because I have entrusted myself to the Lord's mercy. That's right. Don't forget that. So if you feel like the world's kind of coming against you, but you're doing the right thing, doing the best you can, I think you're going to be all right. Just keep on keeping on and ignore the haters, because haters going to hate, right? That's what they say. Now, this is a really cool song on 99.9 KOIN Coin News Radio. This is Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd, and it has lyrics on screen if you want to sing along. Not necessarily the ones for karaoke, but still, all the same, lyrics on screen. So there it is, folks. I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you do like what you're seeing, sub the channel. It's free. Stacker out.